Grade 10, Unit 7. You will hear an airline boarding announcement.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the Fasten Seat Belt sign. If you haven't already done so, please place your carry-on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Make sure your folding trays are in their full upright position. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read carefully the special instruction cards located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in the event of an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to reseat you. At this time, we request that all mobile phones, pagers, radios, and remote-controlled toys be turned off for the full duration of the flight, as these items might interfere with the navigational and communication equipment on this aircraft. We request that all other electronic devices be turned off until we fly above 10,000 feet. We will notify you when it is safe to use such devices. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is prohibited on the entire aircraft, including the lavatories. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying the lavatory smoke detector is prohibited by law. If you have any questions about our flight today, please don't hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants. Thank you.
Bhavanath Gelal, a complete YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like and share our channel.